Hello, everyone. Good evening, and thanks for giving me this opportunity, Magicball. I'll keep the presentation short and simple. My platform is called Neurcode AI. It is an AI code governance platform. Some stats I would like to share first regarding current AI code agent situation. Most of the code currently, like it's 55 to 60% of current code is being written by AI agents. Most of you would agree. Like I believe if everyone here is builder, then he must have used Codex or Cloud Code or Cursor at any time of their career. So you might believe, 55 to 60% is now being written by AI. AI is currently doing 15% of the current raised PRs in GitHub. A high percentage of 83% of these PRs that are being raised are being accepted without actually double checking if the code is really right or not, if there is any code hallucination or any code architectural drift, etc. These are all the things that are being monitored post-production, and once we hit the deploy thing, that's when we actually see that the code has broken some parts. And this is the result of AI code revolution. And then analysts have predicted that in this 2026 itself, 20% of the raised PRs on GitHub would be by AI agents. And in the next 5 years, greater than 90% of the code will be written by AI agents. And none of this seems fascinating if you are really using Cursor or Cloud Code in current generation. And the thing is, why is these numbers are growing so fast? The main reason behind this is that most of the developers that used to do coding now see that coding can be done within a few minutes, which they might took hours to build. Basically, if VS Code had 30 million users, 20 million of people now are using AI code agents in their day-to-day life. Tools like Cursor, Claude, even Codex are having their inbuilt features that can raise PRs, do bug fixes, do refactors, test, etc. And there comes the main problem. There are four main pillars of these problems. The first is architectural drift, second is hallucination, third is code bloat, and fourth is security vulnerabilities. So what happens with most of us is if we are giving some command or some prompt to AI agent, it starts to write the code before it even understands what the context is really, or without double checking with the user what he really wants. This is where the starting point of the code is, and this is where it actually gets wrong. And this is where the next problems start one by one. If the architecture is wrong, then hallucination happens, code bloat happens, security vulnerabilities exist. And these are all the things that I believe in most of your repositories might exist if you are just wipe coding things or just accepting all the changes from given Cursor or Cloud Code. So this is where my platform comes in. We are basically doing end-to-end monitoring and governance of AI code, agent-written code, right from planning to the code being integrated or pushed into production. So the main thing in your code is 3 steps. First is plan, second is prompt, third is verify. As simple as that. It is an NPM package currently. It has 4 pillars. First is NPM package, second one is VS Code extension, third one is GitHub Actions, and fourth one is dashboard. So we are all touching all the pillars of the software development lifecycle. So after you install the NPM package, the process is fairly simple. Here you can see that I have done just Neurcode login. That's the first thing. Then the Neurcode plan comes in. You can give plain text as in command. For example, here I have given create RBAC for my system. It starts with going through my project, seeing if there are any security vulnerabilities, and it will highlight that. And then it will start with new session, and it will go through all the code base, find the right context, and then give me an architectural plan that has been dynamically generated for my use case. So instead of that skills.md, cloud.md, or any agents.md instruction file that you give to your Cursor or Cloud Code agents, this is a dynamic generated architectural plan. So you can see the summary is given, the estimated complexity is given, what files I can touch is given, what files are blocked that are given. It even gives me the recommendations that I can do if I want to implement the system end-to-end. And then I can simply type in Neurcode prompt to take this AI given, Neurcode given plan into a full-fledged prompt that I can directly copy-paste into any AI code agent. It basically copies to clipboard. And here you can paste it, I have shown in here. So it shows actually what files exist, what file does what files I can touch, what files I cannot touch. So it basically gives me an architectural plan. Many of us can debate on this. I have been debating on people since morning that even Claude gives architectural plan. Many people gives architecture before the things are implemented. But this is not an architectural giving platform. It is a code governance platform. So when architecture is given, Claude isn't necessarily or compulsorily including all this agent.md instructions or following them while writing the code. But Neurcode makes sure that the code or the plan that Neurcode plan is giving, that architecture is being followed end to end. So yeah, this prompt you can actually paste into Cursor or Cloud Code. And once your pasting is done, you can simply press Neurcode verify command. That will verify your input, your output versus agents given code base. And then when we compare that Neurcode plan to the agent given code base, we can see and verify if it changed the right files, if it touched any files that are not necessarily needed to touch. And if everything looks good, then you are good to go. Then you can actually push things to production. So by including this small thing into your existing workflow, like this works across everything. I'm showing VS Code, but I believe none of you might majorly be using VS Code. Most of you might have been using Codex or Cursor or Cloud Code or any AI agent platforms. So yeah, this integrates in each and everything because it runs directly in your terminal. It is an NPM package, and it has currently over 17,000 downloads, nearly 17,000 downloads, NPM downloads, and 727 VS Code extension installs as of today, as of now. And these numbers are growing real fast. We are seeing pretty much enthusiasm from people and users because it sits directly into their current work architecture without actually needing to switch to any other platform. And yeah, this is the only platform I believe is working in pre-commit thing. And I would love for you, everyone, to try it out. And please reach out to me if you need assistance with anything or setting up with your own organization. I would be more than happy to help. Thank you.